Hello everyone, I'm Chase at Rocky Mountain ATV MC, giving you a closer look at the Grip Heater Kit from Tusk. Alright, so if you're looking for a way to keep your hands warm and comfortable when you're doing some cold weather riding, whether it's a dirt bike, adventure bike, ATV, snowmobile, street bike, cruiser, you name it, well, this Grip Heater Kit from Tusk is a quick, easy, inexpensive solution. I run these on my TW200. A lot of riders use them on their adventure bikes here at Rocky Mountain or the ATVs when they're riding in cold weather. They do a very good job. What's great about these is that they're universal fitment, so they're gonna pretty much work on any handlebar with just about any grip. And as you can see, everything you're gonna need comes included in the kit for install, but you have a control switch with a high and low setting, so you have a couple different heat settings depending on how much heat you're gonna want for your hands. Now with install for these, very simple. Like I said, universal fitment. So you've got your two heating elements, one for each side of the handlebar. So just take your stock grips off or whatever grips you have on now, make sure to get the handlebars nice and clean. And all you're gonna do is just wrap the heating element around the end of the handlebar. And then once you've done that, you're gonna take your grips. You can use grip glue if you want to. Slide the grip back over the top, and once you've done that, if you want to, you can use safety wire as well. Just keep in mind that with these kits, you're not going to be able to use lock-on grips because those lock-on grips, the diameter is so tight, you're not going to have good success getting that to fit over this heating element. So you're just going to want to use a standard grip with that. But once you install the grips over the top, you're ready to wire it up. Now, wiring is actually really simple. Before we cover that, a couple things I do want to mention. So just keep in mind that as far as power, how much these are using, they're going to use 20 watts. So whether your machine has a battery or not, you want to make sure, especially if you are running aftermarket electrical accessories on your machine, you just want to make sure that you have enough juice to power these. If you have a machine that doesn't have a battery, you can splice it into a power source from your stator, but again, just like the machines that have a battery, just make sure that you do have enough power from your stator in order to run these. But once you figure that all out, wiring these up is really simple. It comes with instructions, very simple to follow. There's a diagram on there, but we also have a great how-to video where we show you step-by-step how to install these. So if you want more detailed instructions, you can watch that video. But all in all, really simple. You install your heating elements. Once you've done that, again, you've got your control switch. Now to install the control switch, just keep in mind you have to drill a 1/2-inch hole for this. So you could do that on your headlight cowl. You could do it on your handlebar pad. That's what I actually did for my TW200. You could build a custom dash for these. Just know that every machine is going to be a little bit different, so it will vary machine to machine. But once you drill that 1/2-inch hole, very simple to get this installed. And as you can see, all your wiring, everything you need is going to come included. Shouldn't take you very long, but again, if you have questions, read over the instructions, or you can watch that how-to video and we'll help you out and get you figured out. Last thing I do want to mention is that with these heating elements, that the wires, you want to make sure that you either use zip ties or electrical tape to help secure those down. And you just want to make sure that once you have this installed, especially if you have a twist throttle, you want to make sure that these wires aren't going to interfere or get damaged using that twist throttle. Now this is our grip heater kit. Again, it's universal, but if you want a lock-on grip that is heated, we actually have those available from Tusk as well. So there are a couple different options as far as heated grips go. But that is it. That is the grip heater kit coming from Tusk. If you're looking for a way to keep your hands warm and comfortable in cold weather, here's a great solution. If you guys have any other questions, you can leave your comments below. We will help get those answered. To pick up your set, it's real simple. Just click on the link at the end of this video. If you like this product spotlight, give it a thumbs up, get subscribed to our YouTube channel, and that will keep you up to date and in the loop on the latest gear guides, product reviews, how-to videos that we are constantly rolling out. I am Chase. We'll see you on the trails.